I'm a woodworker, full of sawdust, scuffed up, rough cut. Pass me the joiner, fly me to the planer. I'm ripped, straight cuts, angles, dados. All about precision, always keep a blade close. I'm staying intricate, and you can find me in the garage. If I'm not in the room anytime on the watch, you know the spot that I'm at. And if it's not on the couch, you can bet the temptation is measure my fate. Like, what you gonna be? What you gonna be? Blank slate, that's what I got. I'm flooded lots of ideas, of nightstands and framed mirrors. I've rained tears over the beauty, veneer to it, rather than holding a booty. Hold up, truly? Yeah, take my crown molding, I'm moody. Hard to remove me from the shop, literally. Wood glue on my Crocs. People act like they don't know it's the great-great-grandson of the man who made the toe kick. Don't push it. Pick up the push stick. You're supposed to pin it, don't pinch it before I finish. I mention I'm a pocket hole fiend. A DIY's dream. If you're seen in this arena, forget about the jabs and hooks. Go master books on the mortise and tenon. Force the clamping. Focused on the process is the course of a champion. Measure twice, cut once, bad advice. Cut it once, tweak it, sneak up on it, that's nice. Becoming one with something is different than buying products. Switch it up how you want it, post pics of the final model, that's building. Woodworker with #1, check back frequently for the next episode. Thank you very much.